Hey y'all, Addi here with some Reali-Tea, and today we're digging into the legal circus that is Lori Vallow Daybell's Arizona attempted murder trial. She's already been convicted in Idaho, but Arizona is where Charles Vallow, the husband she allegedly conspired to kill, lived and died. We were supposed to start jury selection this week, but what did we get instead? Lori Vallow in a wheelchair, claiming she's very ill, and a judge who is so done with her nonsense, he's practically ready to roll in with the donuts himself. Yes, donuts. Let's rewind and walk through exactly what happened. May 29th was supposed to be a final status check before jury selection officially kicked off. But leave it to Lori to try and squeeze in one more Hail Mary. That morning, she asked a different judge to remove Judge Judge Beresky from her case, claiming, what else? Bias. Spoiler! That motion was denied. So, trial prep moved forward. Sort of. The courtroom quickly turned into a legal version of Whose Court Is It Anyway? With Lori going on about aggravating factors and demanding a probable cause hearing to challenge them in advance. Judge Beresky wasn't having it. He told her she wasn't entitled to that. She interrupted. He snapped. "Can I finish? I didn't interrupt you." And that's when we saw the most tense exchange yet between these two. Lori wouldn't stop arguing, and Beresky finally told her, "Denying your motion doesn't equal bias." Honestly, the man deserves hazard pay at this point. After the arguing calmed down, the court managed to whittle down the jury pool to about 66 people from an initial group of 300 plus. Things looked like they might move forward until Friday, May 30th. That's when Lori called in sick, and not just a light cough kind of sick. She was too sick to even leave her cell. So Judge Beresky hit pause and told everyone to return Monday, June 2nd. Spoiler! That did not go well either. This is the day jury selection was supposed to really begin. Instead, Lori showed up in a wheelchair, looking frail and telling the judge, "I'm very ill. I've barely eaten. I'm drinking broth. I'm dizzy." She claimed she tried to get medical attention in jail, but was ignored. And yes, she refused to let her standby attorneys handle anything for her. She wanted to be there, but also, she wasn't well enough to be there. Judge Beresky, to his credit, tried to find a workaround. He asked if she'd be okay to just sit in a regular chair while jurors came in. She refused. He asked if she could let her lawyer step in for just jury selection. Again, she refused. And remember, this is the same woman who insisted on representing herself. Now the court is boxed in because without her active participation, they literally can't go forward. After conferring with both sides and probably fighting the urge to scream into a pillow, Judge Beresky made the call. He'd delay jury selection until Wednesday, June 4th. Lori objected, saying, "That puts pressure on me to be better by then. That's not how healing works." She even invited the judge to come to her cell and see how bad she looked. His response? "I'll take a pass on that." Iconic. Then they wheeled her out of the courtroom while Judge Beresky brought in the jurors, finally, and told them the trial would be delayed. He apologized and even promised donuts next time. A juror replied, "That'll work. Courtroom gold." As of today, June 3rd, Lori Vallow Daybell's trial is in pause mode. Jury selection will resume on June 4th, assuming she doesn't roll in with another fever and a fresh cup of broth. This isn't the first time we've seen odd tactics from Lori in court, but this one threw a wrench in the whole schedule. Prosecutors are worried about delays. Judge Beresky is clearly fed up. And the public? We're all watching this unfold like it's a Netflix courtroom drama. And hey, if donuts actually show up, I expect a full update. And that's it for this recap. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my recaps. And remember, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.